Dear friends, welcome to Smart Money YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss all you need to know about AAA Technologies Limited IPO. It is an SME IPO to be listed in NSE and it is already open for subscription from 30th September until 5th October 2020. We have discussed the difference between main board IPO and SME IPO in an earlier video. If you want to know about it, you can watch the video by clicking the I button. Before going ahead with the video, let's quickly see the listing performance of Chemcon Specialty Limited and Computer Age Management Services CAMS IPO. Both the IPOs were listed on 1st October 2020. Chemcon IPO, the issue price of Chemcon IPO was 340 rupees per share. The minimum allotment was 44 shares and minimum investment was rupees 14,960. And the share was listed at a price of 731 rupees on the listing day, and the listing day high price of the share is also 731 rupees per share, and return on investment from this IPO on the listing day is between 71% to 111%. And CAMS IPO, the issue price of the IPO was 1,230 rupees per share. The minimum allotment was 12 shares, that is one lot, and the minimum investment was 14,760 rupees, and the share got listed at a price of 1,518 rupees, and the listing day high of the share was 1,550 rupees per share, and return on investment on this IPO on the listing day is between 13 to 26%. So you can see Chemcon Specialty IPO had a fantastic listing day performance, while CAMS also did a very good job. So investment in good IPOs can give a quick gain in a very short span of time. Before discussing AAA Technologies IPO, we would like to request all our viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tap the bell notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you get the notification in your smartphone. Do not forget to like the video and give your feedbacks through comment section of the video. AAA Technologies Limited is an IT and information security auditing and consulting company. The company offers a wide range of IT auditing services such as information system audit, cyber security, IT assurance and compliance, information security, and IT governance services. Its product and services portfolio covers IT services and auditing operating systems, networking, IDS, web applications, ERP, core banking, ATM, forensic, website, computer crime investigation, etc. AAA Technologies offers its services across industries such as banking, financial institutions, insurance, NBFCs, government, panchayats, municipalities, stockbrokers, education, travel and transport, hospitality, manufacturing, healthcare, power, etc. So the company has a wide range of client base. About the company was incorporated in the year 2000 with its headquarters in Mumbai, having its branch office in Delhi. It is an ISO certified company. The industry in which the company operates is uniquely placed. It covers the area of cyber security, information technology and security. The industry is regulated and governed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. Promoter and promoter group. The promoter of the company Anjay Agarwal, Ruchi Agarwal and Venugopal Dhut. Anjay Agarwal have a 27.55% stake in the company and Ruchi Agarwal has 20.93% stake in the company. And Venugopal Dhut holds 12.02% stake in the company. The promoter and the promoter group is having entire 100% stake in the company. Object of the issue. The company is going to raise 10 crore rupees from this IPO. The IPO has both offer for sale as well as fresh issue. The funds collected for the fresh issue will be used for expansion and development of business operation across various cities in India, working capital requirement and other general corporate purpose. Let's quickly have a look at their financial summary. Company has a total asset of 14 crores and also a total revenue of 14 crores and net profit of 3.69 crores at the end of financial year 1920. You can see here the company is able to increase their assets, their revenue as well as their net profit on a year-on-year basis. The net profit of the company doubled from the financial year 17-18 to financial year 18-19. It has also grown more than 80% from the financial year 18-19 to financial year 19-20. If we attribute FY20 earning on fully diluted post-issue equity, then the asking price of the IPO is at a PE of around 9.7. which makes this IPO a reasonably priced IPO. The company is debt-free and dividend-paying company. In the last 3 financial years, it has paid a consistent dividend of 30%. As per offer document, the company has indicated that there is no listed peer to compare with. Now let's come to the most important slide, that is the IPO details. The IPO is open for subscription from 30th September 2020 to 5th October 2020. The issue size is 10.23 crores. The offer price of the IPO is rupees 42 per share. Minimum application is 3000 shares, which is 1 lot. And as we all know, maximum retail subscription is 2 lakhs. So therefore you can apply only 1 lot in this IPO. Face value of the share is rupees 10 and the IPO will be listed in NSE SME platform. And some important dates: offer opens on 30th of September. Offer closes on 5th of October. Finalization of basis of allotment will be done on 8th of October. Initiation of refund for those who did not get allotment will be done on 9th of October. The credit of shares to Demat account take place on 12th of October. And IPO shares will be listed on 13th of October. So please remember these important dates. The lead manager to this issue is Chartered Finance Management Limited and registrar to this issue is Link In Time India Private Limited. Now let's have a look at the competitive strength of the company. The company provides great quality IT and IT auditing and consulting services. They have a diversified customer base across industries. The company has a strong balance sheet and profitability growth. The company has an experienced promoter team, well-designed capital structure with low dependency on debt. So these are some of the competitive strength of the company. So in this video, we have discussed all you need to know about AAA Technologies IPO. Based on overall details of the company, one can look at investing in this IPO from a long-term perspective. This is the opinion of the channel based on the analysis done on information available in the red herring prospectus and other public domain. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. And we would kindly request you to share the video so that more viewers can have information regarding this IPO. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.